Hey guys, so since I'm putting my car back together, I figured it'd be a good idea to address something I'm sure a lot of you don't know about with 8thgens. That is the VTC filter, and it's extremely hard to get to if you have your intake manifold on and your belt and tensioner and everything, but since I have everything off right now, that right there is your VTC screen access spot. All you got to do is take those two 10mm head bolts right out, and you'll be able to replace your VTC screen. It just basically filters the oil to the cam gears. So this here is the factory VTC screen filter. That part number is quite tough to read. I believe the last three things are A01. And I got this from Majestic Honda online along with a bunch of other parts I needed to put this car back together. So this is just the screen. As you can see there, it's just an O-ring gasket with a unique profile and just a wire mesh screen. So we're going to be replacing the one in the car. I'm going to take the one out right now and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so I'm just going to get in here, crack these loose. These are all probably torqued down to like 7 foot-pounds, so they both crack open pretty easily. I don't believe there's any kind of Honda bond or anything behind this. This is just the O-ring that does all the sealing. So it seems kind of stuck on there, so I'm just going to tap on it a little bit. There it is. There is no Honda bond. That was just the O-ring stuck to the metal is the reason that didn't come off very easily. So as you can see here, this is the factory screen. It actually looks pretty clean. I mean, as long as your oil filter is doing its job, you most likely won't have to replace this, but I got everything apart here, so I might as well. The part's only $5, so it's a good peace of mind just to spend $5 on. There we go. Popped up. Let's see what we got. There's a bunch of oil on the other side. This rubber, I mean, there's not really too much going on there. There's maybe a couple debris and whatnot caught in the screen, so it's really not all that dirty from 100,000 miles. I'm just going to clean up the cavity here, put the new one in. The only thing I can say is this rubber is quite dried out, so definitely don't want to reuse these. Alright, so make sure you blow out this metal casting piece here with an air gun and stuff to make sure there's no debris left inside of it. So you're just going to take your new screen here, you're going to take your new filter and pop it in just like that. And it only fits in here one way, guys, so you can't really screw this up. Once that's done, you can go ahead and put it back in the car. There it is, all ready to go back in. Make sure you clean the mating surfaces off very well so there's no oil leakage. So with the new O-ring, it's not going to want to sit flush like the old one since it was dried out and crushed. So you want to kind of not tighten one side first. You want to get them hand tight and then just kind of work each side in a couple clicks. Go back and forth a few times till you start to feel resistance. And then you're going to go ahead and torque these bolts down to 7.2 foot-pounds. Alright, so 7.2 foot-pounds is about 86, 87 inch-pounds. So I got my 1/4-inch drive torque wrench. Click these down. There you go. Your VTC screen or filter or whatever you want to call it is all replaced and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you think. Have a good one.